Push your fitness further with Fitbit Charge 2, a heart rate and fitness wristband that helps you make the most of all day, workouts, and beyond. Use Pure Pulse continuous heart rate to help optimize intensity during workouts using zones and better track all-day calorie burn. Charge 2 gives you the motivation to stay on track with steps, distance, and active minutes at a glance, and automatically tracks your sleep to show how long and how well you've slept. Use multi-sport modes to see real-time exercise stats on display and connected GPS to view pace and distance while you run, and see a map of your route in the app. See how fit you are in the Fitbit app with a snapshot of your cardio fitness level. Smart Track automatically tracks workouts like running, biking, and sports, so when you make your move, we'll make sure you get the credit you deserve. Find moments of calm in your day with personalized guided breathing sessions based on your heart rate. And stay connected on the go with call, text, and calendar alerts. With a dynamic display and interchangeable bands, you can switch up your look for whatever your adventure is. Because every day is an opportunity for a life better lived. Make every beat count with Charge 2.
Quad Lock is the lightest, strongest, and most secure smartphone bike mount. It provides easy access to your smartphone and is perfect for road cycling, mountain biking, and daily commuting. The Quad Lock bike kit is supplied with everything needed to mount your smartphone on your bike stem or handlebars. Our patented dual-stage lock allows you to securely attach and detach your smartphone in seconds. Quad Lock is perfect for tracking your fitness, navigating your ride, and taking quick photos on the go. The Quad Lock mount is super strong and will hold your smartphone securely over even the roughest terrain. Quad Lock makes for a great everyday case. With its slim profile, it's easily pocketable. The Quad Lock case will keep your smartphone safe thanks to its impact-resistant edge-to-edge protection and microfiber lining. With already 1 million customers and thousands of 5-star reviews, Quad Lock is the world's best solution. Quad Lock, smartphone mounting for an active lifestyle.
Ever thought about all the things you achieve with a simple push of a button? Technology brings endless possibilities right to our fingertips, making life more comfortable in every aspect and helping us prepare better for the future. Except when it comes to a flat tire. RideAir is the next generation of effortless air pumps. And it works at the push of a button, just like you're used to, just as it should. RideAir is clean, simple, and efficient. It's designed to help you in 2 common situations: the natural loss of air pressure that always catches you off guard, and a flat tire that stops you from getting on your bike at all. RideAir is the perfect quick fix for both. It lets you inflate your tires with a single push of a button. This way, you can take care of a flat after you get to where you need to be. RideAir can be refilled with an air compressor in literally a second, and its built-in safety prevents air from leaking out. We worked on a slick and elegant design that would fit perfectly on your bike, so that you're never caught without it. Just to be on the safe side, it has a built-in lock to keep your RideAir where it belongs. And of course, RideAir isn't just for riding. You can also use it to inflate lots of other things.
Wearable technology. They say it will make us more active, more fit, more motivated. Doing what we love. Giving it everything we've got. We are active. Fit, driven, and motivated. What we want is to amplify the moment. But we're already out there. And the last thing we want to do is be taken out of the moment by looking at a watch or a wristband or reaching for a smartphone. Introducing Recon Jet. Smart eyewear for your active lifestyle.
Water, the essential element of life. It flows in all of us, through our veins and out our pores. We depend on it. No matter your age or lifestyle, everyone needs to drink water. But with busy schedules, work-filled days, staying hydrated is easy to forget. With H2O Pal, hydration is one less thing you need to worry about. H2O Pal has an energy-efficient weight sensor that tracks your water intake throughout the day. It syncs straight to your smartphone or watch, sending you notifications to drink more water. H2O Pal helps you establish a habit of drinking more water at the right time, which can lead to improved focus and productivity, motivate you to stay on track with your daily goal, and give you the satisfaction of seeing your progress over time. You have enough things to worry about. With H2O Pal, staying hydrated won't be one of them. Start a healthier life by getting yours at h2opal.com.